Hey guys! Today, I had installed a wireless fast charging compatible phone holder for me. Because my phone already has a magnetic ring, I don't really need this magnetic suction iron ring. First, take out the alcohol cotton pad from the package and gently clean the back of the center screen. Then, take out the phone holder, peel off the adhesive tape, and find a suitable position to attach it. Press for a while to ensure it's securely attached to the back of the center screen. Please rest assured, this adhesive is very reliable and won't come off easily. Pressing for about a minute should be sufficient. Connect the power cable, and now we can smoothly charge our phone while navigating. Next, I'll take my friend's phone to show you how to use the magnetic ring we provided. If the phone doesn't have built-in magnetic attraction, peel off the adhesive tape and attach the magnetic ring. Then, simply place it on, and you'll achieve the same effect. If you like the product we recommended today, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.